But this is Dawn Marie with Creative DME Designs. Do you guys know how hard it is to set up a straight-on shot so you guys can see my computer? I do have a computer on a stand here. I'm trying to make it so you don't see much glare. I'm in the one box October. If you go to, here, look. Files. So it's discussion, featured, members, media, files, video. You're going to go to media, excuse me, not files, media. Click it. Now you have photos, video, albums. So let's click albums. I didn't mean to give you guys the finger there. And all of these people are so awesome. They've already got their albums in. Look at that. Everybody, so many people. And a lot of people are already done, and I haven't even started yet. I'm so bad. So over here, it says create album. So I'm going to create an album. One of the things with Julie is that she wants your full name. So if you can see up here on this corner, I'm going to swing my computer over and I'm going to go Dawn dash Marie Ennis. Oh, fudge muffins. My cap lock was on. Marie space Shift Ennis. Then I'm going to go space dash space. And let's put the Shift. Oops. And then album. So I'm going to hit post. Okay. So that's going to post it, and as you can see up here, I now have the Weird album. There we go. Dawn Marie Ennis, the Weird album. Now, if you do want to add, you hit add photos to videos. Okay. So, once again, it's on the left side. You can just hit that and find your file and drag a video in. What I like to do is I like to hit my files, and I'll go to my pictures. I'm going to go to those pictures. Just want to be able to take this and drag it and drop it right there. And now that is up in my album for Dear Julie Julie. So I'm going to put added for demo. There we go. Hit enter. And then hit post. Okay, so now that's in my album. So we're going to back out of that. So once again, remember, it's really easy. You go to media, you go to albums, you go to create an album, you put your stuff in there, you can upload your videos from there, and then you're right in there and ready to start your project for a Dear Julie Julie monthly challenge. So once again, this was Dawn Marie, and I want you to have a fun, happy day with lots of laughter. And always remember to give your fur babies lots of hugs and kisses. Bye.